Assalamu alaikum student of class 8th. There is another topic of language, that is narration with assertive sentences. In this lecture class 8th, I will explain you what are narrations, what is the definition of direct and indirect speech, and then give you some rules, and then explain you with the help of sentences. Then after doing all that, I will give you an exercise regarding narration, regarding assertive sentences. So you will be able to complete that exercise by your own self after listening this lecture. Now you have to note it down in your copies as well, class. Direct and indirect narration. Direct narration, we use the actual words of the speaker which are enclosed within inverted commas placed at the beginning and the end at the end. Now come to the next definition, which is indirect narration. The listener receives the substance or meaning of the speaker actual speech without necessarily hearing the speaker exact words. डायरेक्ट नरेशन में हम अपने एक्चुअल वर्ड्स जो हैं वो कन्वे कर रहे होते हैं डायरेक्टली पर्सन टू पर्सन, एंड इनडायरेक्ट में वी आर कन्वेइंग दैट पर्सन फीलिंग्स और दैट पर्सन message to another, so that is known as indirect speech or indirect narration. They are same. So this is the definition of direct and indirect narration or direct or indirect speech. Now come to the rules. The speech outside the inverted commas is reporting speech. First rule. The speech inside the inverted commas is reported speech. जो inverted commas के बाहर होगी, शुरू की speech होगी, वो आपकी reporting है, और जो inverted commas के अंदर है वो आपकी reported speech है. That conjunction is used when we change a sentence into indirect speech. Example देखिए, she said, comma, inverted commas began, I am hungry, inverted commas, close, full stop. Then the answer or indirect speech is she told that. हमने inverted commas को ख़त्म किया और एक continuation create किया इन दो sentences, इन दो reporting and reported speech के दरमियान, जो कि conjunction that के ज़रिए था. So that is placed regarding this. She told that I am hungry. So she is saying, so I will be changed into she. Then am present tense है and said is past tense. So it is according to the reporting speech tense. इस tense के हिसाब से am जो है वो was में change होगा क्योंकि she singular है. She was hungry, full stop. Said is changed into told and say will change into tell. Okay, said will show past tense and say will show present tense. When we change a sentence into indirect speech, the tense will change according to reporting speech tense. बेटा जैसे मैंने आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन किया कि आपका जो टेंस है रिपोर्टिंग इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच का, वो आपकी रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच को देख के बनेगा. जैसे आपके यहाँ एग्जाम्पल में था शी सेड, तो सेड पास्ट टेंस है, तो हमने आंसर में भी या इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में भी आपको एम के बजाय वॉज का यूज़ किया, और शी सिंगुलर था, दैट्स वाई वॉज लगा. अगर यहाँ प्लूरल कुछ होता, दे यू वी होता, तो हम यहाँ वर का इस्तेमाल करते. राइट. सो देयर आर सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट रूल टू चेंज अ सेंटेंस इनटू अ indirect speech. Now come to the next slide. It will explain with the sentences. Okay, she says to me, you are writing. Over here reporting speech जो outside inverted commas है, first sentence देखिए, ये प्रेजेंट टेंस है, और इनसाइड इन्वर्टेड कॉमास यू आर राइटिंग, ये भी प्रेजेंट टेंस है लेकिन कंटिन्यूस है. ओके, सो आंसर और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इज शी सेज की जगह टेल, शी सेज मी, शी टेल्स मी दैट. ठीक है, यू विल बी चेंज इनटू आई बिकॉज ऑफ मी है यहाँ पर. आई के साथ यू आर नॉट एबल टू यूज़ आर और इज़, तो आई के साथ आपने एम का यूज़ करना है. आई एम राइटिंग. कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. मदर सेड आई सी अ टाइगर. सो मदर टोल्ड दैट आई, मदर इज़ शी, तो दैट्स वाई शी. अब देखिए सी है यहाँ पे, प्रेजेंट टेंस है, लेकिन यहाँ आउटसाइड द इन्वर्टेड कॉमा सैड है, पास्ट टेंस है, तो सी का पास्ट टेंस इज सॉ अ टाइगर. कम टू द नेक्स्ट थर्ड एग्जाम्पल. फादर सेज आई ओपन द विंडो. ओवर हियर you are having both of the inverted reporting and reported speech, both are in present tense. says है और open है, तो it will be transformed into father says will be changed into tells. Then that father tells that a father is male gender, that's why I will be changed into he. And while we are using he, she or personal pronoun, we have to use s form. So open is the first form of the verb, so s will be used. He opens the window. Full stop. Come to the fourth sentence. The boy says to girl, I solve your problem. Inverted commas close. Over here you are having both of the reporting and reported speech. दोनों देखें, says और solve दोनों क्या हैं, प्रेजेंट टेंस में. द बॉय सेज विल बी चेंज इनटू टेल्स. द बॉय टेल्स टू गर्ल दैट हु विल सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. बॉय ने कहा है, सो स्पीकर इज ही, तो आई विल बी चेंज इनटू ही. ओवर हियर सॉल्व कांट बी रिटन एज वेल एज इन द क्वेश्चन, इट विल बी चेंज इनटू ही की वजह से आपने सॉल्व्स लिखना है. प्रॉब्लम किसकी है, your problem, so her problem. Boy is conveying to girl, that's why your problem will be her problem. Okay, now come to the next sentence, which is the last one. She said to him, I washed your clothes. Over here she is the speaker and the spoken to is him. So in reported speech you are having I and your, so it will be changed according to she and him. Okay, and washed. Over here student, past tense and said is also in past tense. When you are having both of the reporting and reported speech in past tense, it will be transformed into past perfect tense. And in past perfect tense we are using had with the third form of the verb. Okay, so she told him that I will be changed into she, and then had with the third form of verb, washed. Your clothes will be over in the question you are having him, so his clothes. So a student, you might be cleared with these examples, I think so, because I had applied all the rules which I had explained in the beginning of the lecture. Now come to the exercise. So student, this is an exercise for you. You have to change these sentences into indirect narration. Okay, now write it down. She said, comma, inverted commas begin, I drive a car, inverted commas close, full stop. Next, second sentence, he said, comma, inverted commas begin, I cook food, inverted commas close. Third, she said to her, I gave you a pen, inverted commas close, full stop. Number fourth, he said to his mother, comma, inverted commas begin, you wrote a letter to me, inverted commas